Of course, the horror that came to light on Saturday due to sheer negligence on the part of many agencies. 3 UPSC aspirants lost their lives drowning in a basement in Delhi run by a coaching center. Now, students have continued to stage protests demanding strict action. UPSC aspirants have written to the Chief Justice of India highlighting the severe negligence on the part of multiple authorities. These students have also demanded a complete ban on the operation of coaching centers in basement areas. Home Ministry has formed a committee yesterday to investigate the incident, seeking a report in 30 days. And Delhi High Court will hear tomorrow a plea seeking formation of a high-level committee to probe this incident. While outrage and anger spilled to the streets, what's appalling is the local councillor of the area, Aarti Chawla, is missing since the incident took place. Aam Aadmi Party seems to be completely silent on her whereabouts, but continues to blame the bureaucracy for what has happened. If that's not enough, Aarti Chawla's own property in the area is under the scanner for violations. We'll get you an exclusive report on that in just a bit. Also, the AAP held a protest for jailed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today, which has also not gone down very well. It has come across as tone deaf given what the students and their sentiments are today. What's also ironical is that just a day before the apathy claimed these 3 lives, Aam Aadmi Party councillor Aarti Chawla posted pictures of her inspecting the drainage system in the area. Today, she is nowhere to be found, but that day, on 26 July, she boasted about how rainwater drains are being cleaned or how new drains constructions is being started to reduce waterlogging in the area. If she had truly worked, why is she missing today? With the local councillor missing, with all the other things that are going on, was the Aam Aadmi Party government caught napping? That's the big question coming up. But also take a look at this report from Aarti Chawla's properties.
This massive building that you are seeing right behind me actually belongs to her. You can imagine that if at all someone even dreams of building a floor above the permit limit, then all hell breaks loose on that person, starting from the MCD to the police officials. Each and every person will come and will ask for some sort of money or some sort of benefit from here. But out here, this building that you are seeing has 5 floors. In fact, the basement of this entire building is also working, and yet again this basement is illegal because most of the basements that have been used, all these basements are for the purposes of storages. The property that you see behind me, in fact both these properties are owned by Aarti Chawla herself. You can look at the condition of these properties and how much is this property being has been churning out money for this particular woman. The basement of this area is also being used as commercial activities, which is definitely illegal. You can see over here that some sort of a clinic has been rented out over here, which is being used as a commercial activity over here. This is the 3rd property of Aarti Chawla that we have reached over here in Old Rajendra Nagar area. This is on the top floor of this building. That is the 3rd floor of this building. We'll try to get to know if she is present over here or if she is not. We have been tracing her down for the last few days, where she has absolutely seen missing in action. Where is Aarti Chawla? This is a big question. Since the time this entire incident has happened, she has gone under the radar. No statements have been given to the media. She has not gone ahead and spoken to the students as well.
Charu Pragya of the BJP continues to be with us. Anmol Panwar of the Aam Aadmi Party is also joining us. So Anmol, the first question that really comes up is that how is it that the Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders, councillors, those in the MCD, those in the government, on one hand claim that they are working and they're doing so much work, but when things go wrong, suddenly either they go missing or nobody has worked? Because you and I were discussing this just yesterday. Saurabh Bhardwaj has claimed that actually desilting work didn't happen because MCD officials, commissioners don't listen to the ministers anymore. But you've got Shelley Oberoi a month or so ago claiming that most of the desilting work has happened. So, you cannot have your cake and eat it too. Claim one thing when, things are going your way, but the moment something wrong happens, then deny that all of that had happened. Look at the pictures that Aarti Agarwal is posting. She's talking about rainwater drainage being cleaned up or new drains being built.
Shivani ji, let me correct you. The video which you are showing, the property which you are showing, does not belong to Aarti Chawla, and it is a fact which is confirmed by the student when questioned by a reporter. I request you to show the video 42 p.m. I'll tell you the exact timestamp at 3 minutes 22 seconds. Your reporter asked, "ये उनकी property है," and the student responds, "नहीं, ये उनकी property नहीं है." So please do not spread any.
So how many properties
misinformation.
does she have in the area?
Please do not spread any information. And
How
I'm
many
warning-
properties does Aarti Chawla have in the area?
See, at best we asked is that the LG, which controls the bureaucracy and has power to terminate the officials.
Why can't you
whether he
answer the
has-
question I'm
whether
asking
he
you?
has-
Give me the correct
what has-
information.
what
How
has
many
it to do with
properties
it?
does Aarti
What-
Chawla have in the area? How many of
Shivani
them
ji,
have
what-
basements with commercial activities? And how many of them have been leased out to students? Simple.
Or are we discussing about the unfortunate death of 3 students?
Yeah, but you know, it's
about-
symptomatic of the fact
I
if
think-
the councillor
I think
of
we
the
must-
area who was claiming
must
that
understand
desilting
the
work was
sentiments-
going on July 20 since July 27. Okay, you don't want to talk about her properties. Tell me one thing. Where is she?
No, I'm telling you, you must show the entire video. Your reporter itself asked, "ये उनकी property है."
So how
Can the
many
student
properties does
deny?
she have?
Why would
You
the
answer
student
it.
deny? अगर ये उनकी property है, तो student क्यों deny करेगा?
स्टूडेंट को हो
आप
सकता है
पूरी
ना भी
video
पता
क्यों
हो
नहीं दिखा रहे?
आरती चावला का है ये तो बताइए
आप पूरी even prior to the incident, she was not in Delhi, and immediately
26
after the
जुलाई की
incident,
पिक्चर ट्वीट करी है उन्होंने
तो 26 जुलाई की पिक्चर ट्वीट की है, तो क्या वो उस दिन बाहर नहीं जा सकती?
अच्छा तो तब से
After the incident, the Honorable MLA, Mr. Durgesh Pathak, and the mayor reached there and continuously monitored the situation.
I'll repeat it. My question is, Shelley Oberoi, the MCD mayor, says most of the desilting work has happened. Well, the desilting issue comes up because of this tragedy. The app backs off and says that no, actually MCD didn't do it. Who comes across Rajinder Nagar in the local area where she's councillor of saying, I am doing this work. If all of this work was going on, then why is there a problem of water logging? Let's say, I am assuming and giving her the benefit of doubt that she did do the work. It wasn't sufficient enough. But where is she? Why is she missing? If she had the honesty to say that I did do the work honestly, she would have at least been there on the ground. It's been 3 days.
Shivani ji, she very honestly ensured that the desilting is done. Onus on the officials who misinformed the Honorable Cabinet Minister, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj. And they
No.
all must
Now
be-
desilting work
This
happened.
story has become
They-
old now.
See, this
No
sto-
more
this is not
shifting
a
the blame.
story.
Charu, I'll
This
come
is-
to you. Just
these-
let him finish. Yeah.
This is not a story. Miss Charu, please go and watch the video which has been posted by the Honorable Minister, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj, of 28th June. He has been continuously asking the officials whether desilting has been done, that we have verified the claims made by the officials, and they are found to be incorrect because desilting has
But
not been done. It
This
has been done only
councillor is on the
papers.
ground. She is saying the work has happened in this area.
Yes.
She is not saying the work is not happening or that she is not getting cooperation. You can't just switch your version in 3 days.
We have given video evidence. We have given video evidence to all the officials,
No,
whether
no,
of
no.
PWD, whether of MCD. See, no, won't work. Go and watch the video.
Okay,
At
all
least
right.
do not misinform the viewers, or I'll send you the video.
Okay.
You
Okay.
must
No, I've seen the
watch it
video
and
you're
then
talking
come for
about.
debate.
No,
It's a video
instead
of a
of-
meeting
instead
with the
of,
bureaucrats.
And you
And I
from
think
a
it was
place
referred
of
to yesterday on my
maybe
show
you
as
should
well.
pay more
That's
attention
not what
to
I'm talking
what is
about.
happening
If I
because
am
of
to
your
take,
apathy in
one second,
life.
Charu, I'm coming to you. If I am to take the
Shivani ji,
charge,
the
Anmol,
question-
one second. If I am to take the charge that bureaucracy is not listening to you as much as they should, then I need some consistency in what your local leaders, MLAs, ministers, councillors are saying. The mayor is saying. They cannot say work has happened one day and then switch on that version the moment something goes awry, is all I am saying. Either work has happened or not happened. And if officials have misled you, even though you were on the ground as Aarti Chawla was, then there's a competency issue involved. But anyways, Charu Pragya, please respond to the bureaucracy issue. This has been a long-standing issue in the national capital.
Shivani, we have lost the lives of these students not because of an accident. This is murder by apathy. This is murder by criminal neglect, and it continues to become more and more painful seeing Aam Aadmi Party people shift the blame even today. So when their councillors are on the ground, they want to take credit for everything going off smoothly. They have a mayor, Shelley Oberoi, who comes on screen, makes a video and says people of Delhi are going to enjoy monsoons this time. At that point of time, they didn't think to complain about the so-called officials who are not doing their work. I'm sorry, it comes as a bit too late for you to complain and point fingers. If everything was not fine, why were you making credit-taking videos day in and day out? Why not then say that monsoons are around the corner and work has not happened? The fact of the matter is the councillor is yours, the mayor is yours, PWD is yours, irrigation department is yours, the water, the Delhi Jal board is yours, the fire department is yours, and all these departments together are responsible for the deaths of not just these 3 students in Rajendra Nagar. It is responsible for the death of the girl who died because of electrocution, because of naked wires. You are responsible for the deaths of the people which happened because of a fire in a factory in Narela shortly. See, the thing is, you have become a corrupt system. You have been in power in the MCD since the last 2 years. In 2 years, you have had every single year a budget of more than 700 crore for merely desilting. If desilting was not happening, did you put out any proof? You sit on a dharna for everything. Your chief minister from jail will issue a statement about everything. Did you sit in a dharna and said that these 750 drains have not been cleaned? The Delhi High Court pulled you up. In fact, no, and Shivani, I will give you proof. I will tell you how these MLAs were sounded off to the problem in this specific basement a month ago.
Yes.
They did not pay heed to it. There have been meetings that were called again less than a month ago. They did not turn up for these meetings.
Okay, I'm going to come back to you, Charu, once again. I have a question on people
details.
not turning up for meetings, and there is a real problem here on all sides. But yes, Anmol, I'll give you 30 seconds to respond first.
See, Charuji, you said that MCD is under us, DDA is under us, DJP is under us. But the officials directly report to the Lieutenant Governor. Please don't act naive after you promulgated, after the central government promulgated.
Why were you taking credit then? Why was your councillor saying work has happened? No, wait, Anmol. Even if I were to believe you, no. But first tell me, why was your councillor taking credit for work that did not happen?
Let him finish. Charu, once again. Charu, 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
It is not my leaders who are taking credit for work. Your mayor, your councillor, whether it is Aarti or Shelley, are saying fabulous work has happened. Why not say the officers are not listening to us?
Okay, 1 second. Can I just come in? 30 seconds for Anmol, please.
Did you complain about the officers?
Charu, 1 second. I'm coming to you. 30 seconds to Anmol.
You're acting very ignorant. You know that the central government promulgated an ordinance after the 5-judge constitution bench.
Instead of pointing fingers at the councillor who's posting photos saying, look at the fabulous work I've done, you are finding everyone else to blame. Why not blame your lying leaders?
Your LG has not terminated the officials.
Okay, can I just come in? Charu, I have a question. Charu, I have a question.
On my nerves right
No, 1 second. Charu, I have a question. Anmolji, 1 second. While the Aam Aadmi Party has to explain its own liability because it is in power in MCD and at the government, is it not a fact that people are not turning up for meetings? The LG and the elected government don't see eye to eye. Ministers are not going for certain meetings, or officials, babus are not going for certain other meetings. There is a problem, no, Charu. It needs to be handled.
No, but Shivani ji,
Shivani, and who is creating?
Let her respond. Let her respond.
In a sensible tone, let me ask Anmol this, and let me ask this of all Aam Aadmi Party leaders. These
Anmol,
could have
just lower his
happened
face.
to anyone. Anmol, quiet now. Quiet.
Charu, please
No,
respond
you
to
are
my
playing with
question.
the lives of people, and let me say my word. I'm responding to your question. See, Shivani, they are the ones who've raked up this problem. Today, when deaths have happened, they are blaming the officials. But a few days back, they were putting out videos taking credit for fabulous work.
No, forget that.
Again,
Are people
if you
turning
were
up
right
for
there on
meetings?
ground
Are
zero.
officials in Delhi turning up for meetings that ministers are calling or not?
And are these ministers cooperating with the work that the officials want to do? They are busy making videos and saying, let the people of Delhi enjoy monsoons. We have a Aarti who's a councillor who's still putting out pictures and saying, look at the great work that I have done. We have Shelly Oberoi who's making a video and who's wanting to take credit. So if you want to take credit for something which could have gone right, obviously you have to be the fall guy when things go wrong. Why were you people taking credit? And I cannot ask this of you enough. You
All
have
right,
been
I have to leave
lying
it at
through
that.
your teeth to the
Unfortunately, I'm
people
out of
Delhi. Where
time,
is-
but we'll continue to shine a light on this extraordinary problem that is prevailing in the national capital, where clearly people who need to work together are not working together.